In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Yahoo email account using the 25 guide. If you find yourself no longer needing your Yahoo Mail account, then permanently deleting it might be your best option. Understandably, this process should be handled with care. So let's walk through the steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, it's important to sign in to your Yahoo account termination page. To do this, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo account termination page, which you can find by visiting https://login.yahoo.com/account delete user https://login.yahoo.com/account delete user. Once you're on this page, you'll need to sign in using the Yahoo email address and password of the account you wish to delete. If your account is set up with two-step verification, you may be prompted to complete additional security checks. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to move forward. Next, take a moment to review the important information that Yahoo provides regarding the consequences of deleting your account. Keep in mind that this action will permanently erase all your emails, contacts, and settings associated with your Yahoo account. You'll also lose access to Yahoo services such as Mail, Fantasy Sports, and Flickr. Additionally, deleting your Yahoo account means your Yahoo ID could be made available for someone else to claim in the future. It's essential to understand these implications before proceeding further. Once you've reviewed the information, you'll need to confirm your identity. This step involves entering your Yahoo email address again. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity, ensuring all the details are correctly entered. With your identity confirmed, you're ready to move on to deleting your Yahoo account. You'll see an option to click Continue Delete My Account, and after that, you'll need to click Yes, Terminate this account. This will initiate the termination process, and you'll see a final confirmation message indicating that your request to delete the account has been acknowledged. After initiating the deletion, your account enters a deactivation period that usually lasts for about 30 days. However, in some countries, this period might be longer. During this time, if you change your mind, you still have the chance to log back in and recover your account. But keep in mind that once the deactivation period is over, your account, along with all its data, will be permanently deleted and cannot be retrieved. Before you begin this process, consider downloading any important emails or contacts using the Yahoo Data Download tool. This ensures you don't lose any valuable information before your account is permanently erased. Taking this step can save you from losing any essential data you might need in the future. And there you have it, a thorough guide on how to delete your Yahoo email account. Be sure to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth and successful account deletion process.